Rings turned out push-ups are the best bodyweight upper chest exercise of all time in my opinion, and I'm about to tell you why. Research has shown that doing a reverse grip bench press or dumbbell press has a 30% upper chest activation compared to a 10% activation from doing the traditional incline press. So basically, doing a reverse grip bench press is 3 times better for upper chest development than doing incline press. So lucky for us, we can replicate the same movement pattern when doing the rings turned out push-ups to work that upper chest. You can also do this exercise on the ground or on bars if you don't have access to rings. But I gotta say, doing them on rings will be much more beneficial. Because of the added instability, the exercise will be a lot harder. Your deep stabilizing muscles will be recruited, which will give you a stronger and denser look. You can even go Super Saiyan level and do some rings turned out dips. But remember to be safe when leveling up the difficulty. So make sure to give the rings turned out push-ups a go on your next workout and let me know what you think in the comment section below.